This will be assembly and installation of the Exacta T44 closing wheels for John Deere 60 and 90 series drills. We'll start by taking the stub shaft with mounting plate, put in our at least two 3/8 bolts, assemble on the star wheel, installing the bolts and nuts finger tight, and then tighten accordingly. Once the 4 3/8 bolts are tightened, tightening the star wheel to the mounting plate with the sleeve on it. All we have left is the assembly. Your T44 will come with a new bolt, new mounting bolt. Install it on the arm. Take the star wheel with the sleeve. First applying the 3 spacer washers. Then the star wheel, lock nut, and then tighten. Recommend using a breakover bar with a 15/16 socket on one side, impact on the other. That's the installation. Reinstall your dust cap.